Men 40 to 60. What really happens when you eat only once a day? After 40, you start noticing something uncomfortable. You're eating less than you used to. You're not lazy, you're still moving your body, but your waist keeps getting thicker. Your body feels heavier, and in the morning, you don't wake up feeling ready anymore. What worked at 25 doesn't work now. So what happens if a man in his 40s, 50s, or 60s eats only one meal a day? Most men react immediately. I'll lose muscle. I'll feel weak. That can't be good for my heart. But the truth is, the male body at this age doesn't respond the way you think. After your meal, the body enters a familiar mode. Right after your single daily meal, everything looks normal. Food is digested. Glucose and amino acids enter the bloodstream. Insulin rises to manage incoming energy. This is a state you've lived in for decades. The difference is this time, it doesn't last all day. A few hours later, once digestion is complete, something important happens. The digestive system finally rests, rare after 40. After 40, your digestive system isn't as forgiving as it once was. Constant eating means the stomach never fully relaxes, the liver is always working, the pancreas is constantly pushing insulin. When you eat once a day, digestion finally goes quiet. Insulin begins to fall, the liver gets a break, metabolic pressure drops. For middle-aged men, this matters more than weight loss, because chronic, low-grade inflammation is what slowly damages the heart, joints, and blood vessels. 6 to 10 hours after eating, stored energy takes over. Several hours after your meal, the body does something logical. The liver releases glycogen, stored glucose, to keep energy steady. Your brain stays sharp. Your muscles keep working. You don't crash the way people fear. In fact, many men notice less brain fog, fewer afternoon energy dips, more stable focus, because the body is no longer processing food nonstop. Around 12 hours, fat is finally allowed to burn. This is a critical point for men over 40. When insulin drops low enough, fat cells are unlocked. The liver starts producing ketones, a clean fuel your brain uses efficiently. This is when many men report clearer thinking, less irritability, hunger that fades instead of grows. The body doesn't panic, it simply switches fuel sources. 16 to 18 hours, maintenance mode, not self-destruction. After 40, the issue isn't just fat, it's aging cells, damaged proteins, inflammation building quietly over years. Around 16 to 18 hours, the body activates autophagy, cellular cleanup. In simple terms, the body starts recycling what no longer works. This isn't breakdown, this is maintenance, something the aging male body rarely gets enough of. Won't I lose muscle is the biggest fear. This is the question almost every man asks. The truth is, during structured fasting, growth hormone increases. Growth hormone helps preserve muscle, repair tissue, slow muscular aging. The body prioritizes burning fat before breaking down muscle. As long as your meal contains enough protein, you do some form of resistance or movement. Muscle loss isn't the automatic outcome people fear. 20 to 23 hours, the body stabilizes. In the final hours before eating, fat metabolism is steady. Many men describe this state as feeling lighter, a calmer heart rate, less morning joint stiffness, better blood pressure control. Not because the body is weaker, but because it's no longer overstimulated. When you eat again, better absorption, less waste. As your eating window approaches, digestion ramps up naturally. Enzymes increase, stomach acid rises, the system is ready. After 40, nutrient absorption becomes less efficient. Eating once a day often means you absorb more from less. The takeaway from men 40 to 60. Eating once a day isn't for everyone, but for middle-aged men it isn't extreme, self-punishing, dangerous by default. It's a structure, one that allows the body to rest, repair, reduce inflammation, relearn how to burn fat. The male body wasn't designed to eat all day, keep insulin elevated, never shut down digestion. It was designed to eat, rest, burn, repair, then eat again. After 40, that's no longer optional. It's something you have to relearn.